Hello, my name is Dionisel Leiva, and this is the introduction video for the Smart Buildings 5.0 Drama project. The frequency of natural disasters have increased drastically over the last 50 years. Thankfully, there are agencies that offer relief, but in order for them to do this, they have to evaluate the damages and needs of an area so that they can distribute resources appropriately. Unfortunately, there is a huge gap between the occurrence of a disaster and the completion of the assessment. Sometimes it takes several months before an area can receive relief. What we aim to solve is to reduce the gap of time between the occurrence of a natural disaster and the time the victims receive relief, by building a platform where a disaster victim can document the conditions and needs of the area affected. Agencies can then distribute the resources based on the reported data. The requirements for this application included the login and registration, so that registered user with a mapper role can create a report that by providing the needs and damages, as well as upload photos of the facilities. The reports are then represented in the form of a location marker on a map, so that a report can be easily seen by location. We also provide statistics and filters for the reports, so that agencies can search for the biggest needs of an area. An evaluator account can also view a report and rate the damages by looking at the photos of the report and other provided information. This deployment diagram shows the different components that the Drama application interacts with. The website resides in a web server where it receives requests from the client via a web browser, and any persistent data is being safely stored in the database server. The Drama application employs a traditional client-server architecture, in which the user interface, which is the presentation layer, the logic layer, and the data layer, are developed and maintained as independent modules. In our case, the Drama website uses the Apache server to process HTTP requests and stores persistent data in a MySQL database. The persistent data design employs a relational model of data. The relationships are a logical connection between different tables that allows the data to be stored in separate entities. In conclusion, Drama Disaster Reconnaissance Assessment Mapping Application is a web application that allows users to provide information about the state of their area. This information is used to evaluate and provide statistics for agencies to deploy their resources accurately and faster. Thank you for watching.